Hello, Sudbury. Today I wanted to talk to you about solar panels. As we all know, the Earth is facing many environmental issues right now, and it's up to us to do something about it. One way we can help is by utilizing renewable energy sources like solar panels.
Climate change has been a problem for many years. Greenhouse gas emissions have polluted our atmosphere for almost 2 decades. Because of this, the climate has been changing, resulting in higher temperatures and environmental changes. Glaciers have been melting, and this year, more than ever, temperatures have been very high. We can see this effect in northern countries and places that have had higher temperatures during the winter than in other years.
One way that Sudbury can help is by using solar panels on our schools. Solar panels have proven to be great for the environment, and they have also proven to be more cost effective rather than traditional energy sources. We know that solar panels are cost effective because the solar panels that were put above the high school parking lot generates $160,000 in energy savings each year. This is because using solar panels over other energy sources at the high school lowers their energy bill significantly more than before. Solar panels are also great for the environment because they lower the greenhouse gas emissions that come from the use of different energy sources. By using solar panels, they will help lower greenhouse gas emissions in Sudbury and help make our town cleaner.
But there's a problem with the installation of solar panels on the roofs of schools. Before you can install the solar panels on the roofs, you have to make sure that the roofs of the building can hold them for a long period of time. If you were to take a walk around Curtis Middle School, you would see two different types of ceiling panels. One type would be a styrofoam looking panel. Those panels are thicker and absorb sound, which makes them better for schools, but they also absorb water when the roof leaks, and it shows. So some of the styrofoam panels might have brown, wet spots that used to be leaks in the roof. These are some of the more common types of ceiling panels around the school. The other type of panel is a thinner, more plastic looking panel that doesn't absorb water but doesn't absorb sound as much. This makes them better for covering up leaks in the school but does not do great at other things. Our school has done a great job of covering up the leaky roofs, but this problem may be solved before any kind of solar panels can be installed on the roofs.
In conclusion, if we are looking to reduce our carbon footprint and save money over time, solar panels are an excellent investment for our town. With advancements in technology, solar panels are becoming more efficient and affordable than ever before. Not only do they provide a clean and renewable energy source, but they also help the environment significantly. We encourage the people of Sudbury to reach out to the Energy Sustainability Committee to try and reach for solar panels on the roofs of our schools, and to promote and enhance Sudbury's environmental resources and sustainability. Thank you.